Amber babies, how you doing? It's me, the girl from YouTube with a bunch of all the time TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross and everything. I have 3 huge bags today. Mostly everything is from Marshalls. I have few stuff from Ross and maybe a few stuff from TJ Maxx. So let's dig in. And the first that I want to show you guys, I have this t-shirt and I want to show you how much actually this is Jack Daniel's t-shirt. I love like this, like everything here is like so I can pull it in the front of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna have this little thing over here. Regularly you see guys $50 and I paid 12. Why not, right? Look at this. So where do I start? Clothes and shoes. I have a lot of clothes and shoes. I'm gonna leave after that. First I want to show you beauty stuff because you guys are here for beauty, right? Like me. I love beauty. I love beauty. I love beauty. Good high-end cheap beauty. So where do I go? I go to Too Faced lipstick. Too Faced like cream color drenched lipstick, for which I pay $5.99. I'm gonna be buying Marshalls a lot because when I moved to my new place here in Miami, Marshalls is the closest. And the Ross is also very close, but this Ross is a mess. This Ross in Midtown over here is such a mess. You basically go and you're like, what? Because clothes stuff everywhere is like tried, tested, and flying basically like, you know. So basically, sometimes it's very, very rare to find a lipstick or something unopened. So I found Too Faced lipstick unopened. I am like crazy in love with the pink color because this color, it kind of suits me the most. I probably have like 100 different shades for pink. So this is one of them and it's unused, unswiped, untouched, and everything in yeah, so Too Faced. And the next item that I have Michael Kors earrings over here that I bought. Right, this I paid $25 and the price was $55 here on the bottom. So Michael Kors earrings, I already wearing these earrings for like a week. I like it, really nice, like simple, beautiful. I like earrings like this. So $25. Next item that I have this is from Erno Laszlo. If you don't know, this brand is really, really high end and really high quality. I paid $12. Erno Laszlo White Marble Collection of Brightening Treatment that works to reduce the appearance of skin discoloration, including uneven skin tone and dark spots. 5 masks. Looks like this. Fancy, nice, simple packaging. I like it. I had Erno Laszlo toner a while ago and I really, really liked it. So cat is here. I cannot throw. I will throw, but I cannot throw. Then I have basically what I have, guys, is just high-end makeup, skincare, beauty stuff, and just much 3-5 times cheaper than you will find in another store like Sephora. Okay, this is from Pureology Style Clean Volume Spray, basic balm spray. You can spray in the roots also to make your roots fluffier. This is actually, I think, is vegan or something like that. No alcohol, 100% vegan. So yeah, smells good. Wow, like it. I paid $12. Then I have lately I started to take care of my hands. I have this argan hand mask. I paid $3.99. How many masks are there? 2 masks. I love hand masks. I love paraffin hand masks when I go to do my nails. Then this is Sensation. This is, I don't know what is this, but this is something different and something weird. Okay, this is from Illuminage Skin Rejuvenating Eye Mask. This eye mask basically where you sleep, and I paid $16 because without that the price was $25. Okay, basically this is eye mask with Cooper Technology US patent that results from 4 independent double-blind placebo-controlled studied work, and it actually works. So really? This is gonna make me younger? Hello guys. I don't know, I mean, simple mask, $16. Only me can be crazy and pay that much money, you know, right? So then what I have this charcoal infused detoxifying foot pads. I have tried these pads before. Like basically you place this pad, like stick on the feet, and kind of this pad like detoxifies your feet. And in our feet we have a lot of like pores and everything that can detoxify our body. Do I believe in that? I don't know. I'm just like, I like to try and I like to think that it detoxifies me, but the real thing, I don't know. I don't think so. Then I have here no slip hair clips. I paid $3. I need that because when I blow dry my hair, yeah, basically it looks like this. And these clips are cool. You know why? Because they bend. Next item that I have a Smashbox Infused Exposure Mascara. I paid $12.99. Mascara looks like this. Okay guys, now this is the best find ever in my life in this kind of stores. I found Kevyn Aucoin foundation for $10. You guys, when I posted this on my Snapchat, if you don't know, my Snapchat is Jean Amber X. When I posted this on my Snapchat, you guys like, what? How is this possible? Kevyn Aucoin foundation for $10 in Sephora. This is $75. So basically, I got this for $10. This is a little bit darker than my skin tone, but I work with another whiter foundation that I have, for example, Kat Von D. I mix them together, and yeah, this is actually working, and this is a real foundation from Kevyn Aucoin that I found in Marshall's for $10. What do you guys think about this? Can you imagine? All right, next item that I have, this is just a chocolate that I like it. Then I have found Bare Minerals. I have found Bare Minerals. This is for your most beautiful skin, value $42. I paid $12. So what is this? Is this Transforming Purifying Cleanser, Skin Longevity Vital Powder Infusion, Smoothing Lightening Emulsion. Let me see what is inside. Let me see. And looks really nice for $12. This looks really, really cool. What I have here, I have from Makeup Forever Artistic. I must have 3 items, which is mascara, eye pencil, and eye makeup remover for sensitive eyes. Illuminating serum from Lerac. I heard this brand is good, but I never try. It looks so nice, illuminating. But I don't know if it's natural, because lately I'm very, very into natural stuff. I just don't want to poison my body. Then I got this headband. Look at this, how cute this headband is. Like, this reminds me of my childhood. I had something like similar when I was little. And the thing from my beauty bag, there is this thing from, this is from Boskia, I think. This is green tea all controlling mask, $5. The price before was $18. Yeah, this is from Boskia mask. Looks like this, $5. Do you guys see? It's so bright in here. Another item that I got, like really weird and different, this is like for the high heels, all the stiletto stylist kit. This is for the high heels. Basically, you can do everything. This is on your heel, in the back of your feet. This is for your heel over here. You guys see? This is inside your, let me open. Basically all those, look at this guys, all those are stickers that you stick inside your feet, inside your shoe. Oh my god, this is so soft. Wow, this is so soft. Ooh, this is freaking cool thing. I like it. 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 Oh my god, so much stuff I have to show. Then next, what I have, like just regular Puma socks that I buy, $7.99, original price $13. Then I bought shoes. This is from Ross. This is Puma shoes from Ross. Look at these shoes, guys. I love, like, I am not a high heel person. I love like sneakers and sport shoes like this. This was $29. What do you think about these Puma shoes? I like it. Then I got these heels, high heels, but I don't know if I'm going to wear. I'm like so not a high heel person. The thing why I bought, because it was only $18. Can you guys see? Yes, it's $18. Maybe I'm gonna keep it. $18 shoes. Why not, right? I have a Coach. I always don't know how to say, like I never know how to say Coach or couch. Coach, I think this is Coach. Coach shoes for $39.99. You guys see the price over there? $39.99 Coach shoes. My size is 7.5. Fits perfectly. Ready to start walking with these. Then I got night dress, like sleeping dress from Tahari. Brand is this brand I know is everywhere, like in TJ Maxx and everything. So this night dress is very nice. It's cotton. It's very like simple, not so sexy, but nice. I like it. I already wash it. Smells nice. I paid $12.99. I remember. Then I have a few shirts for my mom. I bought this. No, this is for me, not for my mom. My mom is a little bit more fat. This is Polo Love Lauren. I paid $16.99. Simple, nice polo shirt. No, this is not polo, just a t-shirt with a v-neck. Then I got this for my mom. I got this from Michael Kors. Original price $68 and I paid $10. My mom is a little bit bigger than me, so this is going to fit perfectly her. She's like, I don't know, medium, large. This is gonna fit perfectly, just $10. And my mom lives in Germany. Like Michael Kors in Germany will pay like $100 for 100 euros for this shirt, like 50 at least. There's another Michael Kors shirt for her, $15. My mommy gonna be happy with this. Wish they had a lot of sales on the small sizes, but there is not. And then another shirt, Ivanka Trump. Okay, don't get me in politics and everything. The real price was $70 and I paid $25. This is very nice. It's beautiful, like on the sleeve. This is looking so good. That's it from Marshalls. Did I forget something? I don't know. I think no. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Let me know if you shop in Marshalls. Let me know if you like Marshalls, because I'm gonna be buying now a lot from Marshalls because it's literally across the street. I don't have TJ Maxx around me. I have Home Goods only, but it's very small. I have Ross next to me, but this Ross is super messy, and I went there like 3 times, and every time there is like a lot of people fighting for the stuff and like throwing things everywhere. Lily, this is chocolate. You cannot. Lily, you wanna come here? Come here. And look, guys, who I have today. I have Lily with me. You cannot get chocolate. No. I have Lily. With me. Sophie left already me. Now Lily gonna be for 2 weeks with me. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye, babies.